Here I am going to talk about the plus operator and how we will use it. So just see what I am doing here. Like I am giving the 5 within the double inverted commas and plus then another 5 within the double inverted commas. So you will know what it is doing. So I am using single line comment. Inside it I am saying str for the string plus str. So anything within the double inverted commas would be a string. Now I will remove this break tag and place it somewhere else, so the program would be organized for you. So we have written here, we have done here double inverted commas 5 plus 5 without double inverted commas, so it would be string plus a number. And now the number comes forward, 5 plus double inverted commas 5, so it would be number plus string, and then a number with the with second also a number, so num plus num. So what it does here, I will save it here. So what it does here, str plus str, that is string, str plus num is equals to also string, num plus str equals to str, and num plus num equals to num. So what it has done here, so you can see that anything, if the both the elements are a string, then it would concatenate it. If one is a string and another is number, it is also a string. You can see in both the cases. And if num plus num, it will always going to add with each other, so we can say that first element was having concatenation. First plus operator gave us the concatenation result, because string plus, there was string plus a string, that will always give a string. And then second time also, and second time also the plus operator gave us the concatenation, where string was adding to a number. Similarly for the third operation, where a number was you are using additional operator for the number plus a string, that would be also a concatenation. Then at the fourth time we did num plus num, that would be without any double inverted commas. So num plus num would always be a number, and this operation would be called as addition operation. So you can see multiple variants for a single plus operator, and how we are going to use a string and number. This would be a base for our next uh, operation, where we are going to put an expression. So let me just remove all of these, and we only need one document.write method. So I'm going also removing the element inside it and put this single line comment, and I'm going to show what expression I want to type in the browser. So I want to type 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So how we are going to do it, with the help of string and number operation, what we did earlier. So inside it I will say the sum of, after this I am going to write plus 5. I'm going to write plus 5. So you can see on the browser the sum of 5. Now I want it to be like 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Then what I'm going to do is plus, and then double inverted commas, and then plus, and then double inverted commas, plus 5. So let me just copy and paste it on the another line to make you explain this. See, you can see that this is a string and this 5 is a number. A string plus number would be a concatenation, so 5 is inside. Now you can see that this is a string and this is also a string, so plus would be deleted, and then you can see that the string, and here is the number. So this plus and this double inverted commas is also going to be diminished. So let me just put it another line, and you can see, oh sorry, there is an error. So what is an error? I think I have put it this double inverted commas at the last, it is incorrect, so I should just delete it now. So save, go to browser, you can see the sum of 5 plus 5. So what is the full expression I want is equals to, it would be 10, equals to 10. So what happens here is I will write plus, and now I'm going for equals to operator, So within the double inverted commas there would be equals to, and I'm going to write here. Now this is a string plus number, and then the concatenation. Then this is a, this is a string. Uh, this is a string, and this is a plus. I'm just giving space. So which makes it more clear that this is a string plus 5, and then concatenation. Now double inverted commas come here, then string plus string will delete this, and we will have the concatenation again. Now again we are having this plus operator, and at the left hand side we are having this string, and in the right hand side we are going to having a number. Then this 5 comes inside. Now the double inverted commas has been shifted. Now plus comes between two strings, so it would be also a concatenation. You can see on the browser what we have observed here. Now I want the addition to be performed after the double inverted after the equals to. So for an example, I'm writing plus 2 plus 2. So what it is giving here, it is also giving a, it is not adding it, but it is giving a concatenation. I would just write an expression to explain you. So here this plus is deleted, then this plus comes between two string, then this plus gets separated, and then again a plus comes between a string and and a number. It will also give a string, and concatenation happens. Then this plus comes between two strings, then also we are going to have this plus separated. Now this plus is coming between a string and a number. So what will happen, 2 will come forward, and this will remain here. Then again the plus it comes between the string. So this is what we are getting here, 2 and 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the braces outside 2 plus 2. So what it does here is it has performed an addition. So when we use in the case of brackets, it always opens from inside to outside for the JavaScript. So first it would solve the 2 plus 2, and then it will solve all the others. Uh, Comparatively with, for the case of this double inverted commas and the plus operator, the all operation will be performed from left to right. So I will write 5 plus 5, so the result is 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Now I want this expression to be written in some other way. So I would copy and paste this document dot write, and within that I'm going to write break for, I want the document dot write for the other way in the separated line. So what I will do here is I would write this sum of, because it is going to be showed in the browser, so the sum of comes in the browser. After that I'm going to write comma 5. Now these are two parameters, so how it's going to show, it is be like this. uh, Now I'm going to put for plus, then comma, and the plus within the double inverted commas. So you can see in the browser how it is showed. Then after that again comma 5, so plus 5 plus 5. After that comma, then for equals to within the double inverted commas, you can see equal to is shown here. So after that comma 5 plus 5, that is 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So see this how simple it was. Now we are going to talk about the tables for within JavaScript, how we are going to make a table. So it is simple that within the document dot write,